Ladies and gentlemen, what is up? It's me, MeeKiee, the Soul Cookie, and this video is about the highlights of all the amazing moments I encountered while playing Resident Evil 7 BioHazard. It's an amazing game. You guys should really check it out. And I want to give a big shout out to Team MakeWay for gifting this game to me, and Alexi for letting me stream the game on their Twitch page. And all my social media links are on the side, you know, right here, somewhere over here. And yeah, don't forget to drop a big, if you like the video, don't forget to drop a big like, subscribe, follow, tweet, or you know, whatever it is on all my social media platforms. Again, everything's over here. Also, don't forget to drop a big like and subscribe to Alexi Chennai, Alexi India, Team MakeWay, and also to the editor of this video, DevilRyu. Check out their Facebook and YouTube page. They have some amazing content going on all the time. And yeah, all of their details are on the description down below. And you know, as a pre-game, you know, not like a pre-game show, but you know, as a special bonus for this video, I'm gonna juggle these 3 bottles for you. Devil, you're gonna edit this in, right? Because yeah, you're gonna edit the bottles in, right? Because otherwise I'm just gonna look stupid. Yeah? All right. Ta-da! Oh my god. Ah! Ah! Yeah. Oh look, there's another one. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? What the fuck? What the fuck? Mia? What? Mia? Hey, get up. What?
Surprise, motherfucker.
What? Alright, wait, let me just switch this on. Oh yeah, there we go. That's the fusing. Wait, the power's not back on yet? Switch on. Oh fuck no.
It's okay. It's okay. It's me. I know you didn't mean to hurt me. You shouldn't have done that!
Ah fuck, wait, what?
It fucking hurt!
Of course it hurt! Oh shit! Can I like just fucking... Oh, take it out. Take it out. Take it out. No! How do I fucking take it out? Oh shit! Ah!
My jaw must contain outbreak. Gonna break. I promise. Must burn it all down.
Oh god. Oh shit, I'm bleeding out. Fucking bleeding out. Oh no! No! Oh no! Oh, there we go.
Surprise, motherfucker.
What the hell? Oh fuck yeah, where the fuck do I go? Hey Granny, what's the way out? Granny? What's the way out? Grandma? Hola? ¿Cómo estás? You gonna eat that, really? Granny, you're gonna die. Oh fuck, you look dead anyway. Come on, Granny, I'm gonna save you. How do I fucking select this? Oh no, you're just blocking yourself from Granny. Hi, Granny. Oh, look at me, I'm over here. Hi, Granny. Hi, Grandma. Oh, fuck. She's useless. What the the fuck? You just broke your own house, you piece of shit! Oh, it was kind of useful. Hey!
We gotta get the fuck out of here.
Now, first, you need to tell me what you're doing out here alone in the middle of the night.
Me? What about you?
No, it's my job. Won't you do your job and tell me? Answer my questions.
You're not gonna believe me if I told you.
Try me. Hey, put that door back. Put that door back.
Oh shit, no! Oh god!
Fuck! I'm gonna kill everybody.
Bro. Oh, there. Oh no! No, no! No, no, no!
Boy, you're about to see something wonderful.
Oh shit!
All you have to do is accept her fucking gift! Stay right there!
Ah! Oh shit!
Bad girl!
What the hell is this? Oh, cool. Oh!
Where do you think you're going?
She fucking kick her, kick her! Oh no! How is this? I don't know. Oh shit! I guess it's just the annotations there. Ah! What? No! No! Ah!
Sure shit beats the hell out of dying.
What?
My little girl has given us enough.
No, no, no! Stop talking, dude.
As you can see, the
Oh, no.
family is only part of her.
Wait, how many? I have 2 medicines. I think I could probably say. What the fuck? No! No! Whoa! 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 Oh shit! No! 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 Oh god! No! 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 Fuck you! Fucking drop from the ceiling, god damn it! Oh no no no! Where the fuck are you guys coming from? You guys are still here? You watched the entire video? Really? Aww. Did you like the video? If you did, don't forget to drop a thumbs up, a big thumbs up for the video, and click that subscribe button. You know, that red subscribe button? It's gonna turn into a gray subscribed button. So, click that button. Yay! Thank you guys!